Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Just looking at the British pound here, just taking a long trade on cable this morning. See if we can get some upside momentum. We'll break above this 5-minute high candlestick. Had a nice move to the downside this morning. It's been pretty bearish, but I think we're going to get a reversal back up here. A nice wave pattern, nice red PTS is down, and then we're getting this potential kick back up. We should get above this 130. 135 zone. We shall see how it develops and see if we can push through these areas. Okay, just so we're progressing nicely up here on cable. So what you can do here from the charts, you can actually stick in some limit orders actually on the chart, which is pretty cool. And this allows you to sort of set those targets. We don't want to do that. Let's just open it up slightly here. So you can just basically trade from the charts. So if I just try and drag that as well up there to that zone. So this prior resistance around that area, and you can put in these limit orders. So these orders here are attached to this open trade here. So £5 long here, £5 long here. Profit orders set in around that zone there. And then of course you have your stop loss that comes below the price, okay, in these zones here. You stick your stop loss in under these levels, wherever you put them for your trading strategy. You can set those up, which is really good. Okay, so now you've got the parameters, you've got your entry, whatever strategy you're using. You put your profit targets wherever you want to. And what I could do with this as well, if I just sell or bank some of these profits, if it gets to my profit target, there's no guarantee it's going to get to the profit target here. I could bank half of this, which is at £5, and then I could get the stop here and just start to trail it up and lock in the profits. I'd certainly do that. I haven't got much time. I've got to go out for a bike ride in a minute. I'm training for some event in the New Forest in April, so I've got to get out and do some training, guys. So I'm just video this for you quickly to try and get show you the sort of how to set these orders up and some day trade here on the British pound. It's gone a little bit quiet. The White Pro trading system here. This is telling us that volume is reducing. Okay, so when it goes white on the Pro Trading system, volume's reducing, and it's not a great time to be trading, to be honest. But I thought there's an opportunity here to put a video on for you and show you a live trade, which we do every morning in our live chat room, and place trades and go and make some early morning money. So let's see if we get to our profit target here. We've got to get above 130.32 here to get up to this 135 zone. So when I first started trading, I used to love, not many people trade live at all in the markets. A lot of it is always after the event, but I used to be fascinated when I did see somebody put a live trade on and watch it going up and down. I hope you're feeling the same as well, because I used to really enjoy watching, people live trade. There just isn't that many people that do it, unfortunately. But let's see if we can get above this edge here, this little ledge. Then we'll probably shoot quickly up to this 134, 135 zone. Okay, there's two orders in here. Now we've got to trade through this price for these to be filled. Now my entry was here, so what I could do, I could bring my stop to the entry, which is right here, so I can lock in a little bit of profits. But as soon as I do start to bring my stop, and I need to put another stop in here, as soon as I bring my stop above my entry, it reduces the risk, of course, because I can't lose on the trade, but also increases the chance of myself getting stopped out on this little pullback here, or a little drop down stops you out, then goes higher. So I'm hoping this is going to just push up into that zone. We've gone pretty quiet here. So trading stops are, there is a debate about trading stops, but if you're in profit about 100 points on a trade, then you've got to lock in some profits and certainly trail that stop. Okay, we're progressing past over that resistance area. Let's see if we can whoosh up into that profit target. See if we can get through. In a bit of a resistance right here, so we might just stall a little bit. But you can see, look, straight away in my head, my voice is starting to think about, we're through that area now, so we should close the trade. Yeah. So what I'm saying is that nice profitable trade there. What I'm saying is that as soon as you're in a trade, you don't get wiser. You start to become this crazy sort of like doubtful. You get these doubtful thoughts in your head. Oh, this is going to go wrong. This is going to do that. But the best thing to do is set the parameters, set the stop, set the target, and do your best to stick to that. Okay, because as soon as you get in the trade, your mind's thinking, this isn't going to work. I've had a losing trade on the last trade, and I'm gonna get stopped out on this trade. It's not helpful at all, guys. Best thing to do, just stick to your parameters. Okay. Discretionary trading that I just did there is no doubt the hardest thing. Using machines, using systems is easier, but while you're trading as an individual, emotion kicks in. Don't try and fight it. As a coach, I'm not telling my students to fight the emotion. It's just natural. As long as you're not doing anything stupid in trades like adding to major losing positions, you don't want to be doing that. As long as you're not doing anything crazy, then just stick to your parameters, stick to your stop loss, stick to your strategy, and do your best to let the trade play out. Okay. Hope it helps. If you want to join our chat room, there's a link below on this newsletter. Come speak to Chris and have a chat about the Pro Trader program and watch us trade live every single morning. Hope it helps, guys. Speak to you soon. Take care.